running a business in 2025? Which means you need clarity, control, and speed. For that, y'all need Odoo. Odoo is the all-in-one business management solution that's gonna change the game. Odoo is a suite of business apps like CRM, inventory, purchase, sales, accounting, and so on, which is in an all-in-one platform. Whether yours is a small-scale company or a startup company, even a growing enterprise, Odoo scales with you. 2025 is all about automations, remote operations, and data-driven decisions. Odoo gives you real-time insights, automates your repetitive tasks, and also connects your entire team wherever they are. Business using Odoo reports faster workflow, fewer errors, and better customer experiences. From e-commerce to manufacturing, Odoo adapts your industry, your needs, and your goals. With its open source core, Odoo is highly customizable and budget-friendly compared to the giants like Zoho or even SAP. That is, you only pay for what you need. 2025 is already here. Don't let any outdated systems hold back your business. Get Odoo, get efficient, and get growing.